welcome back to a new video. How you're doing? Hope you're well. So today we're going to be fitting the roof vent. Liam's just cutting out a template at the back right there.
Yeah.
And it should be going in today, hopefully.
Hopefully, yeah. So we want to try and get this done as quick as possible because tomorrow, obviously, the van's going out to be fixed. So we don't want to be like wasting time and then having to drive it tomorrow if it's not fully sealed.
Yes.
So we need to make sure we give it enough time to actually seal.
Yes.
Right, so it's dead easy to cut out a template. Obviously, it tells you like the measurements you need. It's just 39 by 39, and you want to make sure you get it as close as possible because you want it to be a nice snug fit. So literally, I've just marked out, rather than actually measuring 39 by 39, on the bottom of the top bit. Obviously, it's basically 39 is between these points. So I just put that down and I actually put markers on either side and in the middle, and then just got a ruler and then just dot to dot them basically. Then I'm going to cut that out, hold that up to the roof on the inside so we know where it's going to be, and then I'll put like a bit of marker on it, and then I'll go actually on the roof and then just make sure there's nothing there, and then I'm going to drill a couple of pilot holes just so I know where it's going to fit. Right, so we hit a pretty big road bump. Basically I was looking at the actual like vent and then counting how many screws I needed, and you needed 20 and I've only got 11, so we need to go out and get some more screws. And I didn't say as well that I need to build like a wooden frame to go on the inside of the van. Some people don't do it, like Rob hasn't done it on his van, and quite a few people haven't done it either, but we are going to do it just because it adds a bit of extra security, like not security, but a bit of extra grip, so it can grip onto it better and make sure it don't blow off. I don't mean that'll ever happen, but we're just going to do it because we have the wood. So yeah, we're going to do that as well. But we'll do all that now when we get back because we need to shoot off to B&Q because they're the only people that have got the screws that we need. Annoyingly, Screwfix is closer, but they're just out of stock, so we can't go there. Yeah, so we're going to shoot up to B&Q, get that, and I think we're going to go Wicks as well to pick up some more aluminium tape and maybe some wood cladding, because once the roof vent's in, and then we're going to insulate, and then we can start cladding. The piece is at least where we're not going to put wire in, so we can start on that, so hopefully we can get some of that as well. Yeah, so let's shoot off because it's already getting late in the day because we actually started late, as usual. But yeah, so we're going to shoot off and then hopefully get back soonish so we can get this done before tomorrow when the van has to go in to get the electrics done.
You want a mummy snug? You went to mum for snugs earlier. You're going to be kind of snuggly boy. Are you recording me?
Yeah. He is a right snuggly dog now though. Now we've had him a while, he's getting a lot more cuddly. Yeah. Where when we first got him, he weren't really cuddly at all.
Yes, but I can't drive like this, boy, so you're going to have to go sit in your own seat.
Yeah, he don't like it.
Here he is, back from B&Q, the first trip. Now off to Wicks. And here he is with the Wicks one. Got some cladding this time.
For so long.
Ouch, that's expensive.
I need to get you out of my head.
Right, so we're back on the farm now. Managed to pick up some wood cladding and the screws that we needed so we can crack on with the roof vent and getting it installed. What I'm going to crack on with first is making like the wooden frame that goes inside the van that the roof vent screws into. So I was going to use this thicker wood here. I was going to use this one we bought, but we had some of this thinner stuff left over from when we did the VW, and that works out a lot better because the roof has loads of ridges in it. Yeah, it kind of means there's a bit less space in the roof, so if we use the thicker wood, we'd have to pull the ceiling down a bit, which we don't want to do. So yeah, that'll be perfect. We can crack on with that. It's literally 2 bits of 45 and 2 bits of 39, I believe. I'll update you if that is wrong, but I'm pretty sure that's what it is.
No fui el primero, ni seré el último, pero sé que loco.
Alright, so I put a centre hole in the middle of a cardboard cutout, which is 39 by 39. And I've actually put a mark in the roof as well and drilled a hole so I can line it up on top of the roof and actually like mark around it, and that's what I'm going to be cutting. And I've also made the wood frame for it. That was nice and easy to cut it out, drill it together, nothing fancy. But now I'm going to get up on the roof, which I don't like because I'm scared of heights, and even that sort of height, yeah, gets my nerves going. So it's going to be good and enjoyable. And then I've got to cut a hole in the roof at the same time, so awesome. But I'm going to get up there now, grab all the tools up, and hopefully it goes smoothly and there's no messing up.
How's it going, Liam?
Shitting myself. Literally, I freaked out once trying to get up here. It's not getting up that's the issue, it's just getting back down. And Tav was just sat there laughing at me.
Yeah, it was. I was like, I'll call the Fire brigade, they can get cats out of trees.
Honestly, it's ridiculous how scared of heights I am, but we got over it and we're up here and we're doing it. And my glasses are fogging up, so I'm gonna actually crack on before that. But I've marked it out. I just literally drill in each corner big enough so I can get the metal cutting blade in. The issue is, I'm gonna take these off to steam up. The issue is the fact that there's so many ridges on here. I'm just hoping we have enough like the mastic tape, because I really think it's gonna be touch and go if we have it or not. And yeah, that'll be really bad if we don't. So I'm hoping we have enough. Again, it's going to be one of them where we're just going to have to go for it and hope for the best, basically. So yeah, let's crack on.
Liam, there's a hole in the roof.
I know, hopefully it's the right size.
Oh god, don't. Right, I best place you up the roof vent.
This is literally the moment of truth. If the roof vent fits, we're all good. If not, selling the van. Does anyone want to buy it?
With a hole in the roof, yeah.
Yep.
It's great if you want a shower.
Exactly, yeah, natural shower. Right, come on, pass me up the thing and let's see if it fits or not.
Right, how's it going, Liam?
Kind of okay. We ran out of mastic and luckily Rob had some like little bits spare. And we've used it all up and we're about level. Not quite there though, so I'm just gonna gunk the hell out of this with Sikaflex and hope for the best. Because obviously we are gonna screw it together, so hopefully like kind of pulls it and sandwiches it all. And then I'm just gonna empty like a whole tube on the outside of it once it's actually screwed in, and just try and seal the hell out of it. So it should be fine. I think there's enough on it to bring it up level, but we'll soon find out. So yeah, I'm just gonna Sikaflex the hell out of it. Right, so this is the roof done. It just about fitted. Like I had to gunk the hell out of it with Sikaflex. As you can see when the GoPro finally exposes, there you go. But yeah, so it's all fitted now. It looks all secure. I'm just going to jump inside the van and have a look underneath. But putting that bit of wood underneath definitely helped because it pulled the screws through and made it like kind of bend to the actual shape of the van as well, which helped a lot. But just really happy that's in. And there's no holes and stuff because for a moment I really didn't think we'd have enough to seal it up. But yeah, I've just, like I said, Sikaflexed the hell out of it as well. As you can see, it's messy. But we are going to be painting the van green and all that's going to be covered with green paint and you're not really going to be able to see it because it's on top of the van, so it's fine. So let's jump inside now and have a look to see what it looks like on the inside. Alright, so we're inside now. I managed to put the actual like mesh in on the inside with the opener, but I'm really not happy with like Fiamma. Obviously we got this for free off Rob, so I'm not going to complain at all, but I'm not buying another one of these vents. They seem just so tacky, cheap and plasticky. Like I was drilling in like one of the screw holes and they're a nightmare to line up as they are, and then it didn't even go tight and it just snapped. Like the actual plastic is just so brittle, it just shattered and snapped. So I've had to put like a screw in the side. So we said we weren't going to bodge this van, but we're already starting bodging it. So starting means go on, I suppose. But yeah, at least it's in now, it works. But even like this screw, like this bit slips, like on the actual mechanism it slips. So yeah, it is what it is. It does the job and we didn't pay anything for it, so can't really complain too much. But it's fitted. Hopefully it's watertight. We won't obviously really know until it rains heavily, and then we can kind of see if it's watertight. But we are going to end the video here because it's late, we need dinner, and well, yeah, we've done. So we're going to end the video here. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you tomorrow.